Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you step by step how to connect condenser microphone to audio interface in a very simple and correct way. If you are a YouTuber, podcaster, singer or voice artist, this video will help you a lot. If you are a completely beginner, do not worry, just follow the steps. What is condenser microphone? Condenser microphone is very sensitive. It captures clear voice, more detail, and studio quality sound. Condenser microphone cannot work alone. It needs a phantom power that is 48V. That is the reason why we use audio interface. What is audio interface? Audio interface is a device. It converts analog audio signal to digital signal. It connects your microphone to your computer and mobile phone, gives power to the microphone, improves sound quality, and controls gain and volume. Most audio interfaces have XLR inputs, gain knobs, 48V phantom power button, and USB connection. Some interfaces are also having MIDI connections. Let's go and see on the screen how to connect this microphone to audio interface and from audio interface to our computer. Before connecting, make sure you have these items: condenser microphone, XLR cable male to female, audio interface, USB cable for interface, computer or laptop, and headphones. Always use a good quality XLR cable to avoid noise. Step 1. Connect mic to interface. Now let's connect step by step. Take the XLR cable, connect to microphone, and other end connect to mic input on audio interface. Push it properly until it clicks. Never connect or disconnect microphone roughly. Be gentle to protect the pins. Step 2. Connect interface to your computer. Now connect your audio interface to your computer by using USB cable. Most interfaces power on automatically and also install drivers automatically for the first time. If driver needed, download from official website. Sometimes drivers may not required for few audio interfaces. Always plug interface directly to computer. Step 3. Turn on phantom power. Now look at your audio interface. Find out the button 48V or phantom power. Press the 48V button on. Very important thing is, condenser microphone will not work without 48V. Do not turn on 48V for ribbon microphones and dynamic microphones. Always connect mic first, then turn on 48V. When removing microphone, turn off 48V first. Connect headphones. Now connect your headphones to the interface. Why headphones? To hear your voice clearly, to avoid echo, to check noise and clarity. Adjust headphones volume slowly. Do not use speakers while recording. Always use headphones to get the clarity on voice. Step 5. Set gain properly. It is very important. Speak normally into the mic. Slowly turn on gain knob. And good level is green light is okay, yellow light is acceptable, red light is speaking or distortion. Voice should be clear, no cracking sounds. Set gains so that your voice speaks around -6 dB. Now I'm using this C01 condenser microphone. This is a studio condenser microphone, and I have connected this microphone as we have seen by step now. And the mic position is also a matter. So for the condenser microphone, as it will record very detailed and very sensitive, so better do not be very close to the microphone and very far to the microphone. You be 6 to 8 inches away from the microphone. If you speak very close to the microphone, it creates a boominess and pops like this. Now everything is connected properly. the microphone, XLR cable, 48V, gain properly is set in audio interface. Sometimes the condenser microphone also will get a gain option in the microphone itself. When you connect to the computer, select the input device is your audio interface name and output device or playback device could be your headphones. This setup is very easy. Connect this condenser microphone to audio interface, from audio interface to your computer or your PC. The only point is we need to enable the 48V phantom power for the condenser microphone. If it is a dynamic microphone, then 48V is not required. The same connectivity also applies to dynamic microphone. The only different point is 48V phantom power is not required for dynamic microphone. If this video helps you, please subscribe, share and like. Comment below if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching.